Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, do press the subscribe button below. Click the bell icon to get the latest updates about my channel. In this video I am going to show you the best tricks of PUBG Mobile that can improve your IQ. Let's get it started. Trick 1. Using this trick you can surprise the enemy camping in the first floor of the burn house. Just follow the same way I do. Now use the ledge grab to climb the shack. Trick 2. Using this trick you can surprise the enemies camping in a 3-story building. This works only when a broken wall or shack is near this building. Trick 3. Vans near buildings can be used to climb the first floor of that particular building. Here are a few examples. You can make use of these vans in many places such as Pochinki and Yasnia. Here comes a fun fact. All the spawned vehicles outside the garage face the east direction. This is not applicable for the car spawned inside the garage. Trick 3. This trick allows you to enter the school building through any wall. Make sure you park your buggy in such a way that its back tire touches the wall and front tire is away from the wall. Now click the exit button. Trick 4. Using this trick you can surprise the enemies camping in the first floor of any apartment. Make sure you park the buggy very close to the door. Trick 5. Here are a few tricks from military base. Here you will be able to climb the top floor of the office building. Just follow the same way I do. Almost every trick makes use of the ledge grab. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button and subscribe my channel without fail. Let's move to the next trick inside the office. Proper use of this trick lets you to wipe a squad easily. For the next trick you would need your teammate's help. Ask your teammate to hit you with a UAZ as the same way my teammate does. Now make an appropriate angle and use the ledge grab to climb above. You can easily surprise the enemy from here. Trick 6. These are some tricks based on angle advantage. consider my teammate as an enemy. If you find that an enemy is taking TPP near the door of the terrace, you can cook a low-tossed grenade and easily knock him. You can easily knock the enemy above the containers from inside the warehouse in Georgia Pool. Do comment for more of such tips and tricks. This trick can be used while bridge blocking. Using this trick you can easily spot the enemy's location and guide your teammates accordingly. Trick 7. Here's a trick that can be used to climb any warehouse present in prison. Here are some fun tricks. Infinite smoke trick. Proper use of this trick lets you to make cover in open space. For this trick you have to cook the smoke grenade till 0. Now switch the smoke grenade to low toss and cook it till 0. Continue this process until you are satisfied with smoking. Let's move to the next fun trick. You can rotate your view with the I button. Now place the crosshair on the enemy. Leave the I button and click the shooting button simultaneously. Here's an extra tip. Subscribe to SHotOP Gaming for more of such videos.